Well, I'm very comfortable with my teeth at the moment, which is not something I've been able to say often over most of my lifetime. I started off at an early age, going to the dentist regularly and hating going to the dentist because I was one of these kids who had to have their baby teeth pulled out and fillings in other teeth, and just generally had a lot of difficulty at a time when you were supposed to grin and bear it in the dentist, and they didn't really seem to mind too much what kind of pain you were experiencing. And so by the time I joined this practice, I had already quite a lot of work done, including crowns and crowns on screws, because the original tooth and nerve had gone, and the replacement for crown was that actually my teeth broke quite easily. So just through normal eating and wear and tear, I was losing my teeth. And when I arrived here, I wasn't at that time with Amjad. It was one of his team. But the whole atmosphere was so good, and you knew that Amjad was keeping an eye on all his patients, whoever you were with his team. So I was very happy to have the treatment. But eventually I became too difficult for the partner that I was with, and Amjad took over to begin to offer me alternatives like implants and bridging and other ways to restore a smile. My family used to joke that I tried to smile like Elvis. In other words, I used to try and keep one part of my mouth closed, if that was the part which had a tooth missing or some similar defect. And Amjad took me through some extensive treatment associated with the implants, which is quite a major surgical operation in itself. And I also needed to have bone transplants to provide enough foundation for the implants to take in my mouth. And all the time through that, I was entirely relaxed, because Amjad was so relaxed, confident, and attentive, and constantly praising me if all he was praising me for was sitting still while they did these very extensive operations on my mouth. And all the family laughed now at christenings and family weddings, because I'm the one with the big grin, because I'm prepared to smile, I'm confident with all my teeth, and amazingly to me, confident in eating anything, talking. There was a lot of times in my life when I used to be worrying if I was public speaking whether part of my teeth were showing or one of my crowns was going to fall out or whatever, which was very difficult on occasions. And now, for several years now, I've not really thought about it. My teeth are just there. They feel natural. They feel as they should be, part of my mouth. And that's thanks to Amjad and his team.